Hello and welcome to computer class. How are you all students? Today we are going to have lab time. So today we are going to practice font formatting and paragraph formatting in Microsoft Word. So let's start the class. Chapter 4, Formatting Text in MS Word. So let's start doing the activity time in page number 66. So here we have to read the clues given on the right hand side and fill the crossword. First we will do the across and then down clues. So the first one is making a text look attractive and easy to read. So its answer is formatting. Fourth, command button to apply shading to a paragraph. So it is shading. Fifth, an alignment button to even out left and right edges of a selected text. So it is justify. Now moving to the down clues. Second, command button which helps to apply border around a paragraph. It is border. Third, command button to change selected lowercase text into uppercase. So it is change case. Now moving to the practical time, lab time. So the first practical is applying font formatting, and then second practical we will do applying paragraph formatting by using the paragraph dialog box. We will do practical 1, applying font formatting. Open Microsoft Word, type about cricketing heroes of India, and then we have to do the font formatting first of the heading. Now we'll select the heading and it is cricketing heroes of India. And we are going to first change the font face. And we'll go for that to the font face at the top. Here you can see we'll click on a font face and we will select Times New Roman, and then we will select font size to 18, and then we will select bold, italics, and we'll change the color to red. Now we can see that the font formatting is done to the heading. Now it's the turn to do the font formatting of the text written. So first of all, we'll select it with the help of the mouse till here. We're not going to select the rest of the content. First we'll select this text and again we'll go to the upper part, and there we will again select font face, that is Times New Roman. We can also change to some other font face. We can take it as Calibri. We can set the font size to 14 and we will keep the color black here as it is. We are not going to change the color. So now we will see that what difference we have seen, that the size and the face of the font is being changed. So it's looking different. Now here what we have to do, we have to make this bulleted. So for this, first we will select this and then we will go to the bullet list. Now it is here. So as we select here, we can give any of the bullets here. Let's go for this. So we can see that bullets has been selected. Now we will change the font face. We'll again come to this font group will go. We'll select the font face. We'll select Arial, the other font face, and the size would be around 12, and we'll remain the color as black. We can change the color we want some blue, we can keep it orange, whichever color you want for your document. Now let's see that how does our document look. So here we have changed the font formatting of all the text. The heading is different, the text part is different, and the bulleted text is looking different. So in this way, our document is looking attractive and it is also easily readable. So in this way, you can also practice doing the font formatting. Let's start with practical 2, applying paragraph formatting by using the paragraph dialog box. Now first of all, open a blank new document in Microsoft Word and then type is equal to RAND and open and close bracket and press enter key. So we can see that some automatically predefined paragraphs enters in Microsoft Word. Now we are going to apply formatting here. So first of all, we'll select Control A. Control key on the keyboard and then press alphabet A together. So as we do this, we can see the whole paragraph is being selected. Everything is selected because A means all. So we have selected all the paragraphs in the Microsoft Word. Now we have to do paragraph formatting. So for that, go to the Home tab and click on the paragraph group where you can see a dialog launcher icon. Now click on this dialog launcher icon. As you click, so you can see a paragraph as a dialog box has been shown here. So here we have to change first the alignment. Click on this drop down arrow, select centered and then go to line spacing. Click here, click on double. So now as we have done the paragraph formatting, now click OK. So after this, now some changes has been seen in the paragraph. That we have seen the spacing has been increased because we have increased the line spacing as double. We have increased the line spacing as double and we have also made it center aligned. We can also select the alignment from here. So for selecting that, we can just select it and we can select left alignment. So it will go to the side, center, right alignment, and this is the justify. So in this way, we can use the alignment, and for line spacing, we can also select from here. As you can see, if we want, we can change it, we can decrease it, we can increase more. So in this way, we can make the changes in the line space alignment. So students, you are going to try this paragraph formatting by using you will type is equal to RAND, open and close bracket and press enter key. So automatically a paragraph will come. In fact, more than one paragraph will be shown, which is already inside the computer system. So it will be shown in Microsoft Word and you can do paragraph formatting in that. Students, today we have learned how to do font formatting and paragraph formatting in Microsoft Word. So you are going to practice this. Take care. Bye students.